Welcome to Don Jones Garage. I picked up this motorcycle this summer. It's a 1978 Honda CB750K. The front tire that's on the bike right now is not the tire that was on the bike when I bought it. The front tire that was on it was totally flat, could barely even move the bike. At first glance, a lot of cosmetic damage pops out. I mean, right away you see the broken lens, pretty much original, like it's stock. It doesn't look like it's been messed around with too much. A lot of times if you look at the fasteners right away, you can tell people don't use the proper tools, or they're just not careful. All the fasteners look like they've been taken on or off a few times. This bike doesn't really have any of that. Here you can see, if you look at the bolts holding the valve cover on, it doesn't even look like they've ever been removed. I'm the registered third owner of this bike. Under the seat, in the little pocket under the seat, I found all the paperwork going all the way back to the original owner. And it has as far as I can tell, the original exhaust on it, which you will see is pretty roachy, like it's gone. So I may try to recreate these in stainless steel. We'll see. I do like the look of the original exhaust. So the seat's pretty much toast. It's rusty underneath, like the frame of the seat might not even be worth saving. I'm not sure. As you can see under the seat by all the foam debris and the seeds and whatnot that mice or whatever were living under the seat, you can see they actually burrowed a hole through the foam in the seat. I'm pretty sure this bike lived under the second owner's porch for who knows how long. So it was kind of out of the elements, but not really too. You can see from here how bad the exhaust is. I mean, it's mostly there. It appears somebody did some kind of repair, cosmetic repair or something to the right-hand side there to make it look like it was okay. I do have the side panels. They were in good shape. One of the locating pins or locking pins or whatever you want to call them broke off, which is unfortunate, but it's not too surprising for a bike this old for those plastic side panels to be just like glass, like they're just so fragile. According to the original registration papers for this bike, the original color is Surprise Black, so good chance I'll be returning it back to its original color. You might think that the tank has got like maybe some nice patina on it, or like a little bit of fading, or sometimes people like to leave that sort of thing. But when you look at it closer, really it's not. It's just the paint is peeling off. There's bare metal. It's not that attractive, really. I like patina too, but it's not really what I would consider worth saving. There looks like there was one time some kind of makeshift throttle lock or throttle control on this bike. I'll have to do a little bit of research on it and see what I can dig up. But the controls on this bike probably need the most work overall, at least visually. I won't know for sure until I tear into the bike a little bit more. No surprise, throttle, linkages, carburetor, everything's pretty gummy. Didn't take much to get it moving, but yeah, it's pretty gummed up. First thing we'll be taking that carburetor off there and rebuilding that. So I vacuumed all the debris out from under the seat and gave it a quick wash with the hose. We'll be trying to get this thing running right away. First thing, rebuild the carburetors. If you want to stay up to date with this project, subscribe to my channel, like this video, stay tuned.